Hello, my name is Mayra Gonzalez. I am a student of bachelor's degree in foreign language with an emphasis in English at UNAP. This is my poster. My research project is titled Implementation of Audiovisual Strategies to Strengthen Listening and Reading Comprehension in English for fourth grade students of the Provenza Educational Institution, Bucaramanga, Santander. This project was developed at the Institución Educativa Provenza en Bucaramanga with fourth grade students. The students were having difficult understanding English through listening comprehension activities which was affecting their reading and writing skills. For this reason, I implement audiovisual strategies and digital tools to improve their learning process. The main objectives of this research was to analyze how audiovisual strategies help students improve their listening and reading comprehension in English. The student population consists of 32 students in the classroom, but I only conduct my project with seven fourth grade students. The activities were adapted to the students' English level and learning needs. Okay. For the theoretical framework, I consult various authors related to listening comprehension and language learning. One important author was Steve Krashen, who explains that listening is essential for language acquisition. In addition, previous studies have shown that video games and digital tools can increase student motivation and participation in English classes. This information helped me to ground my research process. This study following a qualitative case study design. To collect information, I use file notes and oral interviews with the students. During the classes, I implemented videos, audio records, interactive activities with wall and educational worksheets. The students actively participate and show motivation during the activities. These images show evidence of the activities development during the teaching practice. Um, Here you can see some of the audiovisual and digital resources used during the activities, such as speaker, televisions, mobile phones, headphones, and the interactive, sorry, interactive activity created in World War. Okay. The results were positive. The students improved their listening comprehension and participate more actively in the English classes. Most of the students obtained good results in the listening comprehension activities of the using audiovisual strategies. Okay. The students received very good grades in the classroom activities. The World War interactive activity and also in the final assessment, all students who participate in the research project received grades above 4. Finally, this experience helped me understand the importance of using technology and audiovisual materials in English language teaching. Thank you very much for your attention.